Welcome to the intriguing world of neural networks, where backpropagation plays a crucial role in learning and intelligence. Backpropagation is a fundamental mechanism in neural networks, allowing them to learn from errors and improve over time. During backpropagation, information travels backward through the network. This process adjusts the weights of connections to minimize the error. Error calculation is key in backpropagation. It involves comparing the network's output with the expected result to determine the error. The learning rate determines how quickly a network updates its weights. A balance is needed for efficient and accurate learning. Backpropagation faces challenges such as the vanishing gradient problem, especially in deep networks with many layers. In deep learning, backpropagation is vital for training complex models capable of tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. Backpropagation is more than a learning mechanism, it's the backbone of modern neural networks, enabling them to learn and evolve. Subscribe for more magical AI adventures.